It's Stephanie, and I wanted to do a quick share. I stopped by Goodwill today. First thing that I found was this little jar, which will be great to store like buttons and stuff like that in. It had just this old dried flowers inside, so I'll be taking those out, and I paid 99 cents for it. I found this little storage basket, and it was 99 cents as well, and it's a pretty good size. I picked that up, and I picked up this cute little box. It's pretty decent in size as well, and I paid, it was 49 cents, but yellow tags were 50% off. So half price of that. So that'll be something fun to alter or put in a giveaway or a rack or something. And then I found this really cute homemade little pin cushion, which I needed. And it was 99 cents and 50% off today. And they just made it out of a little clay pot. So I thought that was a good deal. Let's see. I'm always looking for storage. I found another storage container. And it's the kind that's just got the 3 drawers. So I picked that up, and that was $2.99. And then she put some of my goodies. Let's see, I don't even know what's in here. I just grabbed this bag because it said 99 cents. And it looks to me like it has, let's see here. Open it up. Let's see. There's some silk flowers. Ooh, these are cute. Yeah, there's all kinds of goodies. Here's some more silk flowers with little pearls in the middle. Those are very cute. Some of these little flowers, which are super good for fillers. Let's see. Oh, cool. Yeah, there's just all kinds of goodies in here for 99 cents. Here's another thing of leaves with the pearl bead strands. Some of those little rolled flowers, and they're like iridescent white. Those are cool. Oh, these are super cute. I've never seen these before. These are little lace, like rosettes, or rosettes, satin rosettes, I guess. Little tiny, real tight, and then they have lace around them. So those are super cute. So there's a bunch of those in there. And then it looks like a bunch of this, which is just little flowers. They really don't have any centers in them. And then they have like an organza. Some more of the iridescent white flowers. And then there's another spray with the big rose in the middle. So all of that was in that bag for 99 cents, which is a heck of a deal. And then I found this piece, this bead piece, which was 49 cents. So it's got 4 leaves, and that's never been opened. I found, these are from Walmart, and they're hooks. So I was hoping looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them in there. They were 49 cents. And they kind of look like the Tim Holtz D-ring hooks. So I was wondering if possibly they could be used for a mini book. So that's why I picked them up. And then I found these cute little, they're probably for a bachelorette party, but these little corset, little date cards. Says it's a party, and each one has a black satin bow. So if nothing else, you know, I could use this for a pattern, for a template to create my own little corset mini. I think there's like 10 invitations in here with matching envelopes, and then I could take these you know, satin bows off and have 10 bows, and then the envelopes are pink and white polka dotted. So for 49 cents, that was a pretty good deal. These are from Oriental Trading Company, and there is a ton in here, and it's their Love Wedding coasters. So I thought those would be cute for mini books. You know, you could journal on the back. They're really actually pretty thin, so they'd work perfect for little journaling cards. Then I found, I didn't realize that this was such a big thing, but I found these little, I thought they were notepads, and they say Bridge on them. They were 49 cents a piece. Look at that beautiful picture on the front. Anyhow, they are scorecards for Bridge, I guess. I've never played it, but I'm assuming that's what they are. So, yeah, it tells you how to keep score up here. But anyhow, there was that one, and then there was this one. I didn't realize they were such a big thing. I got three. Got another one of these. There's 4. And then this one hasn't even been opened at all. So I picked up 5 of those. And each one was 49 cents. So I picked up all of those because I thought those would be awesome to share. I picked up this cute little, I'm in love with Mary Englebright. I really like her a lot. So I picked up this little book. It says For Mothers, Oh Mine. And she's just got really cute little pictures and sayings. So I thought maybe I could either re-gift this or I could use it in one of my projects or something. I picked up these paint brushes for 49 cents. They look like pretty good ones. And I picked up this ribbon for 49 cents. It's lavender. And this one's in a baby blue. 49 cents each. And then I found this canvas, which is at like an 8x10, 8x10 for 99 cents. So I picked that up. And then I also got lucky to find these pearl bead, the circle ones, the sprays. So there's a pack for 49 cents, and it hasn't been opened, so there's several in here. So I got that, and my last, then I picked this up, which isn't really scrapbook related probably for you guys, but I like to put the stuff I'm working on like on a tray or in a basket or something. It's woven. It's really nice. It's in good shape. And yellow tags were half off, so it was $2.99, so I paid $1.50 for it, and it's huge. The big find of the day, I thought, I mean, I did get several good things, but I found these little boxes. They were 99 cents. They're brand new, and it caught my eye because it says, "Friends make the good times better," and then it's got like a vintage postcard inside. So I thought those were really cool, and what it is, it's like a candy dish or, you know, a tray of some sort. You could do whatever you want, but I thought it would be perfect for when you're doing swaps or racks or giveaways. So that's why I picked up so many of them, and I thought they were adorable. And I mean, they're brand new. They're still in the box. So for 99 cents, that's a heck of a deal. This would be really good for, you know, when you're working on a project too and you're using buttons or loose pearls, or you're making stick pins to keep all your little goodies in while you're working. So anyhow, like I said, I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought 7 of these. And then just to let you know real quick, I picked up 2 punches at Joann's, and they were on clearance for $14.97. And this one is called the Double Loops, and I love the way this one looks. I think this might be the one that J.J. Showers used a lot, and I love that punch. And then this one is the Vintage Floral, and it's the punch around the page. And I believe they were $29 regular price, so pretty good deal. So anyway, check out Joann's because they don't have, you know, any more savings off the clearance, but every single Martha Stewart punch was on clearance, so I thought that was a great deal. So those are my finds, ladies. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for supporting me. Talk to you soon. Bye now.